a grant that is water-mouthing, a grant that is accessible, a grant that me and you can sit down and choose how much exactly do I need. This grant is giving between $2,500 to $15,000 to somebody out there that has a very nice, beautiful idea, or somebody with a bold step to start something, and somebody who is there and is like, I want to change, I want to address the global challenges of my community or of my nation, talk less of the world at large. This is Christine once again on the Market Show. We are bringing you this grant because of very different reasons, unlike other grants that I've been bringing here. So how special is this grant? This grant is very special because it has no expiry date or deadline. That's how I can say. Every day, that is 365 days, you can do application. They're not going to tell you that, Christine, you are late. No. Second, it is also, you can apply in English. Some other grants, they tell you apply in different languages, but because it is worldwide, so they see it very possible to tell you and apply in your language. So reach me here. If you don't know how to write or how to apply in English, I'm here to help you. Google is here to help you. ChatGPT is there to help you. Which grant are we talking about today? We are talking about the Catalyst Fund, the Catalyst Grant, which is being sponsored by Roddenberry Foundation. Roddenberry Foundation is a big foundation that started a long time ago. It has 4 main clusters that it is running. But today we are going to look at one. This is the Catalyst Fund. The Catalyst Fund is for you and me. Before we dive into this fund, the grant that you can get at any time at the comfort of your home, please allow me to say thank you for supporting Immaculate Show. Thank you for standing there for us, and thank you for making us. We are what we are because of you. As Immaculate Show, we have an objective, we have vision and mission of making sure that your mindset, somebody's mindset, our neighbors, our peers have changed their mindset toward the success and towards what we do in order to get money. That phone you're holding in your hands has it all. That internet, that data you have, it has it all. It has it all. I always tell you that we bring free things. We will not bring for you something that is going to tell you, invest this and get this, or pay money for application. No. So the Catalyst Fund is very free of charge. It is not like those things on internet whereby they tell you to pay money for you to get money. No, it is free of charge. You don't need to pay anything. The only thing you need to do is to listen to me, understand exactly till the end of this video. Then you understand exactly what you need to do. So let's dive in and see what is a Catalyst Fund. In this video, we are going to be seeing this fund or this grant in different ways. We're going to see how accessible can it. Why did I bring it here? I brought it here in a simple way because I know it is accessible to you, and you can easily win this grant. As I told you, the Catalyst Fund is being sponsored or being guaranteed, launched by the Roddenberry Foundation. And the Roddenberry Foundation is there saying, let me give you money from $2,500 to $15,000. Who is this person that is eligible? It is not like other funds whereby they tell you we are giving 1 or 2. No, they are telling you 365 days the grant is open. So what you need to do, 1, you need to know that you have a very beautiful idea. Have you already started on it, or you're starting on it? After having this beautiful early stage idea, then you continue ahead and say, do you dream big? I always tell my friends and you that you can have beautiful ideas, but if they are not being implemented, they will be useless. Then you have a bold vision. When we talk about bold vision as the Roddenberry Foundation, even me and you at the same time, for you to have a bold vision, it has to be put down, and at the same time, it has to be clear, it has to be precise. So if you know you're one of the persons or one of the team, one of the congregation, that your vision is clear as far as solving global challenges is concerned, please come near. When I talk about global challenges, I mean community-based challenges, not you as a person, not you as an individual. So who is eligible? The person that is eligible is an individual, it is a government, or it can even be a collective group of people. They are all eligible. They can access this grant. And also, you'll get to know that this one you can either be profit or non-profit. So there is no cross. That's why I told you this grant is so clear and so clean compared to other grants that have been bringing for you. So we told you there is no deadline on this. What you do, go to your browser, your favorite browser. As I always tell you, me, I use Chrome. Which one are you using? Are you using Firefox or you're using Google? Put there Catalyst Fund. The Catalyst Fund that you're going to follow now, it is this one of Roddenberry Foundation. The moment it comes, what you'll do, the first and foremost, you have to register to have an account. But if you already have an account like me, go ahead, click on application. In this application form of theirs, they are going to ask you simple things. What you need to know is for you to really understand them and answer them, be precise and be clear. They want something that is very neat, and also make sure that what you're going to submit in, what you're going to be telling them, it is complying with rules and regulations. It is legal. What I want to inform you before we continue on this discussion of this grant is that the moment you win this grant, behold, you're not going to suffer with PayPal, you're not going to suffer with Pioneer, you're not going to suffer with Bitcoin. It is going to be a legal transfer as far as the documents you put on your application is concerned. And you'll be informed immediately through your email when you win the grant. What do they consider? This fund is very, very legit. It is not a scam. And at the same time, the selection is very transparent. Because they are there, they want to uplift somebody out there who is looking at the community and is uplifting the community. I can give you an example. Ugandans have already benefited from that. Kenyans have benefited from that. Those are my East Africa people that I know. Then we go to Zambia, we go to Ghana. You can go to the website, you'll see the full list of people that have benefited. So far, 22 countries have been awarded. It is not one or two people, but 47 awardees were there. Then it is global. It is not limiting you that it is in this country or in the other country. No. Unlike the previous grants that I've been bringing, some of them, they tell you if you're not from US, if you're not from this. But this one, you can access it whether you are from Africa or you're from Asia. You have a chance to win this grant. What else do I want to tell you? I want to inform you that when you go and start application, please make sure you finish up your application in order. So be ready. The questions are not simple and at the same are not hard. I participated. I want you to read deep. I always tell you when I bring these things here, I want you to go inside out unless you want a private unless you want a private session. If you want a private session, go down and join the membership. If you become one of our members, either on Facebook or on YouTube, one of them direct, we are going to handle this together, me and you. I know you have another question, like for example, Christine, if I win this grant, how long will it take for me to submit it? How long will it take me to get my payment, my money? That one, it is now your money already. Immediately as you win this grant, behold, you not take long, you're going to receive your funds. But there is a clause. You are supposed to use 9 months. The moment you receive this money, 9 months, all the activities concerning the money that you received for this project of yours, it is supposed to be finished. So in your work plan, you make sure that you budget and you target 9 months. I should have finished this project as far as the catalyst. And say, Christine, are these grants legit? Are they okay? Yes, these grants are legit. You can go and it's not a scam, and at the same time, these are not halal. Are they called halal? How do they go? As in, they are not forbidden. No, they are very legit. what you do, go to Catalyst Fund under Rodney Berry Foundation, check there, continue reading on it, get one of the things that you should do first is for you to get an account with the Rodney Berry Foundation. Then the second one is to organize yourself, organize your documents and everything that they will need. Then the fourth one is to submit an application. Open that application and do as you instructed. Come here after getting your after getting your grant and let us know. Be a witness and tell us if you went through. I've done it 2 times. I've not yet gone through, but I'm very sure that you will go through. I told you one of the things that is very good here, they don't restrict you that you did it before, you not do it now. They also don't restrict you that you are this or the other. Provided you are above 18 years, you are good to go. So you guys, go to your browser and make sure you do this. I told you this is free of charge. They will not charge you anything. If they ask you money, know that that is a wrong platform.